Algebra I Honors, Lesson 6.6, Graphing Linear Inequalities. This is easy. You're just graphing, and then you're shading. There's two little things to remember. It's nothing. It's very similar, and there's nothing going on here. So, a little practice in rewriting. And we got y equals 2/3 x minus 2. Oops. Okay, yeah, so thought it should have had an inequality there. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In case you had a little trouble remembering. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And over here, it's the same thing, except as you go through the process, we get negative 3y is greater than negative 2x plus 6. You might say, hey, we just added or subtracted by negative. It only matters if it's multiplying or dividing. Y is less than 2/3 x minus 2. Sure hope I did that right. I feel like I didn't. But we're going to find out in a second. So 2/3 x minus 2. Only two things to remember. 1, solid or dotted. And 2, where to shade. And that's it. So we graph it just like that, except since it's a less than, it's like an open dot. Oof, that's really bad. Really should use a ruler on these. We make it dotted line. That's the less than aspect. It says y is less than, so we shade below. If you've seen this before, I have no doubt you've been taught, well, test a point. The point to test is 0, 0. So I said I'll know if I did it right or wrong in a second. So 0 minus 0 is 0 is 0 greater than 6. No, it's not, and that makes sense because we didn't shade it. So that's it. Graph it, shade it. I'll also do this on a calculator, which is pretty cool. Notice I talked about this. This is going to be less than or equal, greater than equal, solid, greater than or less than, dotted. Less than, below. And it's a little tricky when you get like that, but it's still doable. Greater than, above. Test a point if you want. A lot of people, oh, I got a test point. My teacher would kill me if I didn't. Yeah. Down 3, up 2 over 1. Less than or equal to negative 1/4 x plus 1. Let me check 0. Is 0 less than negative 3? No. Good. Negative 1/4 x plus 1. Down 1. 2, 3, down 1. Dotted line. Greater than is above. 0 should not work. 0 doesn't work. And then x equals negative 4. I'm guessing this is supposed to be a less than or equal to or something like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to memorize that x is vertical. It's not that hard. I mean, the whole line is where x equals negative 4. Then less than is, left. Less than left, greater than to the right. It's the number line. And this is a number line. Less than is that away. That is it. Practice. Get it right. It's not that big a deal. Good luck and happy mathing.